We're going to start our second session of the laser-assisted uvular periodoplasty on John this afternoon. He's already had the procedure done a couple of months ago, and John is going to tell us how he feels, though I don't expect him to be cured from having had only one treatment. The procedure, as you can see, we do it here at the office under local anesthesia, sitting on a comfortable chair with no discomfort or actually no pain during the procedure, but the only uncomfortable part of the procedure is the preparation by local anesthesia. So if we could have a look at the oral cavity of John. Can you open your mouth, please, John? Can I have a tongue depressor, please? Say, you can see here at the back that there is some scarring here, or cicatrization, from the previous laser treatment, and that the uvula, which is this part here, is already shorter and retracted, and that the palate is lifted up from the previous vaporization by the laser. Can I ask you to snort, John? You may close your mouth now. Snort. In. Okay. Okay. John, can you do that? Okay, there is only minor or mild vibration of the soft palate and uvula from this. So obviously he has benefited from the first procedure. And how does your wife feel about it right now?
Well, my wife noticed a substantial decrease in the noise level, and I seem to be sleeping a lot better and feeling more refreshed after the sleep. You know, normally I was having like a tired period, not getting a good night's sleep. You know, the snoring will wake me up. You know.
Very good. Well, certainly that's very encouraging, having had only one session and you give such a good report. Okay, now we're going to start the procedure by giving John local anesthesia, topical xylocaine. Can you open your mouth, please? Swallow that, please. The second branch, laser. You can see we're creating right on the right side of the uvula so easily, and it has already opened up that side.
It's better than last time, though you have to take more off last time, you know, in the initial. It's not. I'm not gagging or anything. It's much more comfortable.
That's good. Okay. Now then we proceed with further vaporization. You see we've already reduced the size of the uvula. So, John, we've just finished our second treatment of your laser. How did it feel this time?
Oh, it was much more comfortable this time. The procedure went really well. It was no trouble at all.
You didn't have any pain?
No pain, no thing, no.
Okay, excellent. And you're going to go back to work tomorrow, aren't you?
Well, I'll be going, working at home tomorrow. Yeah, I took early retirement. I'm on early retirement, so. But I'll be, I'll be around tomorrow, yes.
That's very good. Well, thank you very much indeed. And we'll see you in about a month's time.
Yes.
Okay.